What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome back. How are you doing? So I know it's been a long time. I'm not even gonna come up here and try to come up with no excuses because I know I've been lacking. I'm not gonna say I don't care. I do care, but my personal life is more important than YouTube life. Y'all already read the title. Y'all know what's going on in this video. I'm gonna be installing this wig that I have on right now. I did buy this wig today. I got it from Galleria in the Dallas area. If you're familiar with that, if you live in Texas, then I got this from Galleria. I'm pretty sure they have a website. I don't know for sure yet, but I'm pretty sure they have a website. You can check them out and see what you can find. This is a 20-inch water wave. Water wave. I'm gonna show y'all are gonna see it in the video anyway, but it's a 20-inch water wave. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I'm not gonna really be doing too much talking just because I do have to go to work, and I was doing this, well, I am doing this before I go to work. So yeah, I'm kind of like on the go right now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. Like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Tell a friend, come check out your girl, period. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, and just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here's the wig I got. This is how it came packaged. I got it straight from the store called Galleria. If you're in the Dallas area, then you know where Galleria is. It was a pretty nice drive for me. The traffic was, oh my gosh. But this is a 20-inch 5x5 closure. I don't know what type of curl it is. It's water wave. Okay, yeah, it's a water wave curl. Oh, I'm taking all the stuff out. But yeah, it comes with like all of this stuff in it. And it had an extra little clip. I'm taking this out, taking the net off. And it still got the tag on it. But this is how the wig looks. This is my second wig buying from them. And the first wig that I bought lasted a really long time. So that's why I'm buying another one. There's the... I'm ashy, I'm sorry, but here's the closure. It comes with this. I'm probably gonna cut this off more than likely, yeah, because it has the adjustment straps here. So more than likely, I'm gonna cut this strap here off. And this is the, and again, this is from Galleria in the Dallas area, if you know where that is. I'm sorry, I need to put lotion on because this is unacceptable. And it just smells like hair. Like, it doesn't stink or nothing. It just smells like hair. Which I am gonna like put some conditioner and stuff in it. I'm not really gonna wash it because it doesn't seem that it needs to be washed or nothing like that. Plus, I gotta go to work. You know, I bought this kind of last minute. So, yeah. So, here's this. I'm gonna set this to the side. My hair is already slicked back. I cut my hair off for those that don't know. This is the stocking cap that I've been wearing, but I never, you know, did nothing official with it. But now I'm putting this wig like on. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the lace on my wig. So by the time I'm ready to wear it, to put it on, it'll be dry. So boom, here is it now that I sprayed it. Here's the tint, the lace. Now that it's been sprayed. And I'm gonna spray this also. My crazy ass didn't even bring a mirror. I guess I was gonna use my phone as a mirror. Hold on. No one do the ball cap method. I'm sure everybody know how to do this by now. And I am using the Envy My Hold lace glue. I've had this for a good little minute.
Baby, come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed.
Okay, so now I'm gonna let this. Now I'm gonna just let this dry. Okay, this is good and dry now. I've been trying to make a TikTok and everything. So now I'm gonna take my razor and I'm gonna cut all of this off.
All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you ain't been to school.
Actually, guys, I just realized I'm tripping because I ain't even cleaned my forehead off for alcohol. Yes, sir. Better safe than sorry.
Third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me.
Sorry guys, TikTok. Cut the band off. I got the clips on right before the hook. Okay, yeah, my hair dried. So, trying to do TikToks. It's like my 4th or 5th layer of glue, but at least I know my shit will be laid. And I am using a t-shirt to like wipe all my bullshit off.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but we
I think that's dry enough. Boom. And then use this to press it down into scalp. Something really at. And I'm gonna spray. I don't know if I was supposed to spray this on top or underneath it, but I'm gonna go and spray this on here. Okay, now that that's there, I'm gonna tie it down. First, we're gonna do a tickety-tackety. Okay, so this should be good and dry, but I'm still going to tie this down. I need to cut this off. So I can cut the rest of this lace off. I mean, not lace. The rest of this cap off. Okay, and I really didn't have to tie my hair down because I was on TikTok, like I said, and it dried. So now I just gotta cut this shit off. But yeah, I cut these sides off, all the way off. Okay, and now that that's tied down, I'm about to do my makeup and enjoy myself, and then I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm done doing my makeup. I just have to lay my hair down as far as like the part goes. So that's why I'm in my kitchen, because I got the old school hot iron comb, and it's on my stove right now because my regular stove that was made for that actually broke. So yeah. here we are. But yeah, I smell it already. I need to get a towel or something. I just grabbed the shirt that I used to wipe my makeup off with and everything else. So I'm gonna use this shirt to test it to make sure it's not too hot because you don't want to burn your hair. So you get a towel or whatever, and then you take the hot comb. If you gotta do it the traditional way, take the hot comb and rub it on whatever you have to make sure that it's not too hot. If it turns brown, then it's too hot. So yeah, y'all, I look the fuck good. Sorry, not sorry. I look the fuck good. Okay, we're gonna take this down. Ooh, y'all see that? I done took a shower and everything. So we're gonna go do a middle part. So we start at the nose and then work it up. This is crazy. This is like literally the exact same wig that I bought the last time. And I fucking love this wig. Okay, so there is the middle part. I'm gonna part here to do the first layer. And I'm taking my wax stick. This is by the same brand, Envy My Hole. So this is Envy My Wax Stick. Let me turn my music down. I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, so yeah, so this thing is smoking now. This shit is way too hot. I'm gonna burn my hair. So I'm gonna take it and rub it on here like so. And it's not really turning brown. You're supposed to use something white, but you know, I just use this because I kind of know it's hot. Okay, this still might be a little hot, but yeah, I'm taking it and I'm using the spine to lay the hair down. So I'm taking it and I'm pressing it. Can you say bad bitch activated? But I am gonna wet this, put a little product in it, and then diffuse it. Okay. So we got what we need to be flattened out. So let me go get my spray bottle and whatever product I'm gonna put in it, and I'll be right back. Remember to turn your stove off. Okay, I couldn't find my spray bottle, so I just had to whip my hair in the sink, and this is the hair that came out. It was minimal shedding, which is kind of expected with hair. So I'm not upset, it's not a whole lot. And considering the fact that this is new, I don't think I need to put any product in it, but I am gonna put product in it. Just to try to tame some of the frizziness, because it is, well, it's supposed to be human hair now. That's what I paid for, so that's what I expect. So, you know, treat it like it is. Put product in it, and it's shedding, but it is minimal shedding as of now. So, you know, the older they get, the more that they'll shed. But I can deal with this for now.
Basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
And I did put my hot comb back on the stove just because I did with my hair, and I don't want it to get, I don't want the water to mess it up or anything. So this is the hair that just came out from that right there. And I always comb my wigs out with my hand, especially my curly wigs, just because it does help last longer. So now that that's done, this is what the back looks like. I'm pretty sure it looks good. I mean, I haven't seen it, but you know. So now this is the diffuser. This part, this is an attachment. This is the diffuser. So if you have curly hair, oh shit, you have curly hair, I suggest you invest in one. And I'm gonna do this with cold air. I don't like using hot air on my hair or on my weave. This is probably the best I'm finna get it. I really don't want to dry too much. But let me go ahead and go over. Okay, look, y'all see, I just wiped this off and y'all see how it turned black. Yeah, that's how you know it's too hot. Do a first shit show, burn you and your hair. So, I'm just gonna do a quick run through. Because that shit is still hot. But I'm trying to get out the way, honestly. Because I need to get to work. So, this is what we are. The hair is not 100% dry. But I'm not tripping about it because I need to go ASAP, no Rocky. Okay, yeah, this is the bag. The hair is really so soft, and I like it. It's minimal shedding. This is the first day I did just buy it fresh out the pack. I didn't wash it or nothing. So yeah, and this is what we're looking like. Oh, I do need to do something with these little parts, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now because it's really not gonna be that noticeable. And if you're looking that close, you need to back the fuck up anyway. That is it for this little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm probably gonna include my little TikToks in here. I only did 2 of them, but yeah, I'm probably gonna include my little TikToks in here too. So follow my TikTok if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.